Hey guys, welcome back. So if you have box braids or twists that you're not ready to take out yet, these are just a few ways that you can style them, so keep watching if you're interested. So all you need for these hairstyles are 2 headbands and a t-shirt for one of the styles, but it's optional. So the rest of the video will be a talk through, so just keep watching. We're gonna do a halfway ponytail. Let's pull it halfway through, like this. Stop it in the middle, like that. And then with the other one, you just take the remainder, twist it, and tuck it. Twist and tuck, twist and tuck. Take the scrunchie, put it over, right? Take it, twist it, boom. You just tuck it, and now you're just adjusting, tucking, adjusting. Now you just continue tucking and adjusting. This is what my bun looks like. Then I pull these little pieces at the end so that it's not too much tension on the edges, you know. You gotta play careful, play safe with the edges. I have all these little flyaway pieces in the back that I'm not feeling. I don't like how they're exposed or whatever. So all I do is cut the shirt, put it on, and then it becomes a headband for me. Have that thick part facing upwards, and then all you do, put it up back of your head, just like this. Step 1. Cross them over like this. You should have a hole right here. Put it over, and then you have this little extra flap. You could choose to leave it so it's loose or whatever. Choose to show the baby hairs, get them popping, you feel me? And then there you go. Sometimes I like to have my ears out, but I feel like it looks a little, I don't know. Either way, that's how I make my headbands. That's my bun. You can even choose to wear it down in a ponytail. This look reminds me of Janet Jackson and Poetic Justice, so that's why I like it. So I'm about to take them down. I will have a video on how I do that and what I do to my natural hair after I take it out of a protective style. Other than that, that's it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Peace out. A-Town down. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, let me go. I'm out.